Hey guys, welcome back to the AC Test Kitchen. Still quarantined, still here at home. And we're going to continue on our little journey of things you can make with the stuff in your cabinets. So today we're going to make pizza dough. This will be part of a 3-part series for making a cast iron pizza. So we'll make the dough, the sauce, and then we'll put it all together. So let's get started. This recipe is very easy. Again, bread, you don't need a whole lot of ingredients. You need a couple of cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, some active dry yeast, and some sugar. And that's it. So let's move on over to the stand mixer and get this bad boy started. The first thing you are going to want to do is take your flour and take your salt and your sugar and combine them in your bowl. Get yourself a whisk or a fork and just kind of quickly sift those together. That should do it. And then you're going to add 1 packet of active dry yeast into your 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, and you're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes so that the yeast can dissolve in that nice warm water. Once your yeasties are dissolved, you're going to add that to your bowl of your stand mixer. You are also going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and all of your flour. You are going to want to use a dough hook and just start your stand mixer and try to bring this together into a nice sticky dough ball. So you're going to want to let this go for about 5 minutes, and when you see that dough starting to come together, it'll still be a little bit sticky, but it shouldn't be so sticky that you can't get it out of the bowl. Flour our surface so that the dough doesn't get all stuck. And you don't want like a giant pile of flour. That's not what we're going for here. You're going to take your dough and you are going to turn it out onto your floured surface. You're going to want to start to knead your bread. You want to pull it towards you and then away with the palm of your hand, gently. And you're going to do this for about a minute, and you'll start to see the dough will form together in a nice, smooth ball. Okay, so your dough should form a nice little round ball. You're going to take a bowl and drizzle it with just a little bit of olive oil. And get that rolling around there. Get it covered. And you're going to drop in your dough ball. And I like to flip it over just so the whole ball gets covered in olive oil. And then we are going to cover this in plastic wrap. Cover it in plastic wrap and leave this on a wood surface for about an hour. It will double.